Hey guys, this is Rachel Lubley, and I wanted to share with you how I organize my swatches. I've had a lot of you ask me what I do with them, and I love what I do. So this is just a 3-ring binder, and I use the semi-transparent 3-ring binder because I like to have our values right in the front. I have our values in just a sleeve. See the 3-ring binder? I just put our values first right in a sleeve so that everyone can flip through. Then I've got all of our personalization in other sleeves. Then what I've got now is our photo by 31, so they can flip through the detailed sheet because I'm not going to have that for every customer at my parties. I've decided it's just a little bit too much, but they can find it right here in my swatch book, which is the perfect place for everything personalized. Then I've got baby by 31 specials and any other pertinent information. And then when I've got our photo sleeves, I can do 4 to a sheet front and back, and I just put them based on order of my favorites. I just love everything navy, so the feathers and this new trio dot really just speaks to me. And then I can fit all the swatches in this book, and they can flip through, they can take them out if they want, and it's just so simple and easy to transfer it every season or as we get new prints. Sometimes we get new prints throughout the year, right? So when we get our Christmas collection, I can just go ahead and slide another sleeve in there and put the other swatches, and then I'm done. I don't have to worry about them getting crinkled at parties or passed around, and it's just so simple and easy and duplicatable. I don't want my hostesses stressing during my parties, and I don't want to feel like I have to have everything in every color because that's not the nature of why we do this. I don't do this to go into debt. I do this to have fun and just be relaxed and love what I do. So this system helps to make that easier. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any other questions, just let me know.